Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For today's video, all about the finals of Premier Volleyball League. Kaya anong team kaya magcha-champion this year sa ating All Filipino Conference? Malaman natin yan. All Filipino Conference. But subscribe now to the YouTube channel. At alamin ko ba kung gusto mag-like, shares, comments, and views, aabuti ng 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers for our latest vlog for today's video, 209, episode 209, entitled PBL Finals Update. Here's our vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Ano kaya team ang matcha-champion this year? Watch this! Okay, simulan na natin. Una muna natin ay pada for bronze muna tayo. Kaya lang nanggot ako sa F2 pads kasi nasa bronze medalist match against PLDT. But, buti na lang nanalo F2 bronze match against PLDT. Sa series ito, Game 1 and Game 2, pada for bronze, 2-0 at panalo F2. Pero parehong 4 sets na nanalo against PLDT. Congratulations to all the F2 fans. Congratulations. I love you. We love you po. To all the fans and especially to Kim Pajardo. Napupunta na tayo sa pinaka-excited ng finals match between the Creamline Cool Smashers and the Petrogas Angel. For our Game 1 of the finals, ang nanalo ay Petrogas Angels against Creamline Cool Smashers in 4 sets. Tama ba? 4 sets. Or I think is 5 sets. But nakabawi ang Game 2. Ang panalo ay Creamline Cool Smashers in 5 sets. Kaya konti na yung, yung points yung Petrogas. Well, last night, March 30, 2023, ano kaya team mananalo? In 4 sets, at ang panalo team goes Creamline Cool Smashers, ang champion ng 2023 Premier Volleyball League. Congratulations to Creamline Cool Smashers. Last year to nag-champ against Petrogas Angels. Pero natalo noong Conference 2021 against Cherry Tigo noong 2021. Oh, 2021. Talo. Tapos 2022 at 2020, balik na. This is the back-to-back title for Creamline Cool Smasher at meron din individual award. Kaso, walang individual award ng F2 Logistics. I'm so sad. But, yung first and second best outside spiker, pero wala si Eliza Banle. All from Creamline Cool Smashers. While, yung si Remy Palma, best beatdown vlogger first, at sino yung second best beatdown vlogger? Hindi ko lang kung Creamline. Si Michelle Gumabaw, best opposite spiker, best setter Gia Morado, at sino yung best libero? I think is from Petrogas ba? Petrogas! Kat Arado. Conference MVP, Tots Carlos, at Finals MVP na si Gia Morado. Congratulations to all the PBL fans and all the Creamline fans. Congratulations especially to Gia de Guzman, or Gia Morado de Guzman. Congratulations. And hope to see you next conference dito sa Premier Volleyball League this year. Our latest vlog is ended. That's it. See you next vlog. Kaya wala munang vlogging next week kasi Holy Week next week. Kaya please be protect and stay safe. And please let us reflect for the Holy Week. Kaya let's pray. Yan, salamat. Bye. God bless.